In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Tradingview Fibonacci tool. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to use Fibonacci retracement lines can be a game changer in identifying potential support, resistance, and trend reversal areas in the market. Tradingview is one of the most popular platforms for chart analysis, offering a wide range of free tools that make it easy to analyze markets in detail. If you're ready to elevate your trading game, stick around as I walk you through the entire process step by step. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up for free. To get started, open your web browser and head over to www.tradingview.com. Tradingview is widely regarded as one of the best charting platforms out there, and the Fibonacci tool is just one of the many powerful features it offers. Once you're on the site, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can sign up for free and be ready to go in just a few minutes. Once you've logged in, take a look at the search bar located at the top of the dashboard. This is where you can find the financial instrument you want to analyze. Simply type in the ticker symbol or name of the asset you're interested in. For example, if you're analyzing Apple stock, type APL, or for Bitcoin, type BTCUSD. When you see the instrument you want in the drop-down menu, click on it to open its live price chart. This step is crucial because the Fibonacci lines you'll draw are specific to the price movement of the market you're viewing. Now that your chart is open, it's time to locate the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through the icons until you find the Fibonacci retracement tool. The icon might look like a diagonal retracement line, or it could be labeled as Fib retracement. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, just hover over the icons to find the right one. Once you have the tool selected, the next step is to identify a significant high and low point on your chart. These points will act as the foundation for your Fibonacci retracement levels. If the market is in an uptrend, start by clicking on the most recent swing low, then drag your cursor to the swing high. On the other hand, if the market is in a downtrend, you'll begin at the swing high and drag down to the swing low. These key points help measure the price movement that you're analyzing. With your points selected, click at the starting point, drag to the end point of the measured move and release. You'll now see horizontal Fibonacci lines appear across your chart. These lines represent the retracement levels that traders often use to identify potential areas of support, resistance, or price reversals. Next, let's clean up the chart for better clarity. Right-click on the Fibonacci lines, and a menu will pop up from here. Select Settings or Properties, depending on what appears in your version of Tradingview. This will open a configuration panel where you can adjust the Fibonacci levels. By default, the tool often includes multiple retracement levels that you might not need. Uncheck or delete any unnecessary levels, leaving only the most commonly used ones. Typically, these include the 0 and 1 lines, as well as other core levels like 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618. Simplifying the chart this way reduces clutter and ensures you're focused on the most important data. Once you've customized the levels, click OK to save your changes. Take a moment to review your chart and ensure that the Fibonacci tool now displays only the retracement levels you've selected. This step is vital for making your chart easy to read and interpret as you analyze potential price movements. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can customize the color of your Fibonacci lines to better match your chart style. To do this, head back into the Settings menu, look for the color options, and pick shades that improve the visual clarity of your chart. While this step isn't necessary for functionality, it can help make your analysis more intuitive and visually appealing. And that's it. By following these steps, you now have a clean and customized Fibonacci retracement tool ready to help you identify key price levels in any market. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.